that you have hope for a house, that you have hope to study more. Class, Mama has hope as well. In the text, in texto, Mama hopes that Papa is good. Maybe yes, maybe no. We don't know. But Mama and Esperanza hope that Papa is okay. So today we're making a connection between our hope and Mama and Esperanza's hope. Now class, pencils down please, no copying. What we're going to do is we're going to look at this learning target. It's the same. I can answer questions about a text from Esperanza Rising. Today, our goal, meta, is for this to be a check mark. Today and tomorrow to be a check mark. Language objective. I can write information in a complete sentence with text evidence. What's evidence in Spanish? Evidence. So if we are doing text evidence, evidencia, check mark, right? Now central focus, how does a person overcome inequality? How does someone change inequality? That is our question for Esperanza Rising. And last, our essential question, how are the workers and landowners different? What is how in Spanish class? Como. Workers? And landowners? So how are they different? Diferentes. So class, we're going to quickly go over our vocabulary. Look here. Do not copy. Repeat after me, class. Change. Change. With your hands. Con tu mano. Repeat after me. Change. 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 Oh, I need all students. Class, pencils down, please. Pencils down. Nope. Class, we're still back on this page. We're still back on this page, please. Excellent. Repeat after me, class. Change. Change. Now I have a question. What happens when class is over? What do you do? Change. You change classes. All together. Ready, set, and go. Excellent. Excellent. Wonderful. Wonderful. Next, we have the word has. Repeat after me, class. Has. With your hand. Has. Have. Excellent. Excellent. And next is? Excellent. Next is? What is this? Own. Repeat after me, class. Own. Own. Now what is own in Spanish? What is has in Spanish? What is have in Spanish? They are all similar. I have a shirt. I own a shirt. Next, we have lands. What is land in Spanish, class? And what about this? Plot. What's plot in Spanish? And as Luis Miguel was saying, when you have a plot, you can have a plot for tomatoes, a plot for watermelons, a plot for grapes. So people that are on a farm, on the land, separate into parcels, into plots. Repeat after me, class. Land. Land. Plot. What do you observe? Who?
Land.
So land. Who is?
Two people what?
Two people what? Two people what? Have. TNN. Has is TNA. TNN is have. Have what? Have what? Land. Two people have land. What class? All together, ready, set, go?
Two people have land.
Excellent. Next. Oh, repeat after me, class. Cattle.
Cattle.
In Spanish?
Ganado.
Now, class. What animals?
Protesting.
The cows. And the cows are not protesting, Luis Miguel. Maybe, but this is not a protest. It is just cows in a cattle. Now, what animals, class? All together, ready, set, go? Cattle. Or what? What animals? What animals, class? They are cattle. Excellent. Now, what do you observe, class? What do you observe? I observe what? No, not cows. What word? What word? What word? I observe what? Cattle. Where? Where? On the ranch. On the land. Exactly. We're making connections there. Good. Now, remember, this one is going going to be pushed. It's a little force. A little force. And then we have force, which is much force. Repeat after me. Pushed.
Push.
In Spanish?
Now.
Now class, with your hands. Pushed.
Push.
Pushed. I need here. Pushed. Not on the bodies of people. Next is class. Repeat after me. Forced. With your hands. Forced. Excellent. Which one has more force? More force. Very good. One moment. Excellent. Next, we have, what do you observe? Who are these? The people. Exactly. Force the train. Good. Next is, now class, who in the text? In the text. Listen. Papa. Oh, Josefa. Can you say that again? Papa is? Papa is sympathetic. Exactly. The woman. Now, class, I have a question. In here, how many people? How many people? Two people. Are two people sympathetic? One person is sympathetic. Here or here? Which one? Right or left? Left. Izquierda. The left one is sympathetic. Good. Next, we have, repeat after me, class, given. What's given in Spanish? Now, class. Exactly. Look at that. Josefa is giving. Wow. Freddie gave me a pencil. Okay? I'm not going to give you my hand. That's just weird. That's absurdo right there. Thank you, Cristobal. Thank you, Jose. In English, what is this? Now, class, give me a, what do you observe? I observe. No, one person. Given what? Given what? Corazon? Heart. Heart. Two more. Excellent. Excellent. Last. Excuse me, class. Pencils down. Thank you, Luis Miguel. Thank you, Freddie. We have this next one. What is this one? No. In Spanish? Conocer. So class, listen. When you know something, conocer, you're thinking about, I know that Luis Miguel is respecting. I know that Martin is writing information. I know Rosa is listening and being quiet. Excellent. One more. Class? What's hope in Spanish? So class, you can have esperar que as an action. You also can have hope, which is a thing, cosa. Good, class. On your paper, we have a juicy sentence now. Look here. The rich landowners still own most of the land, while some of the poor workers have not even a garden plot. Copied here. The rich landowners still own most of the land, while some of the poor workers have not even a garden plot. Let's work on this juicy sentence together. Class? One moment. Excellent. So who? What's who in Spanish?
The worker.
Quien. What about the action verb? Acción.
Class obey.
What about what in Spanish? Okay. Excellent. What about how many? ¿Cuántos? Now class, who is the sentence about?
Worker.
I see one, okay.
The
Landowners
Workers.
and workers, exactly. Landowners and... Now class, I have a question for you. What action, what verb? Is rich an action?
Sting. Sting. No. Who? Yes, who? Who?
Action.
Land.
Is land in action?
Okay.
Class, what is have in Spanish? Tiene. But now, class, is it the workers have or the landowners have? Now, is it have or have not?
Have not.
What's not in Spanish, class?
No.
No, right? So it's not have. No tiene. Not have. Interesting. Have, not. The workers have not. What about the landowners? What action for the landowners? Similar to have. Similar. Similar to have. So the workers have not. What about the landowners? What action?
Own. Rich.
Own. Class, what is own in Spanish? Very similar. So, own or not own?
Own.
Own. Very good. The landowners own. They own. Excellent. Now, I have a question for you. Those landowners, is there a characteristic for the landowners? What is it? Rich. Excellent. Rich landowners. Very good. Now, class, I have a question for you. What about the workers? What characteristic for the workers? What is it? Poor. Excellent. The poor workers, rich landowners own. The poor workers have not. Interesting. Interesting. Now, let's move to the next section. What about what? What do the rich landowners own? What do they own? What? Just think of one word. One word.
Land.
Land. What?
Land.
They own land. Exactly. They own land. They own. Now, class, they own the land. What about the workers? What about the workers? What do they not have?
What?
A plot. What is plot in Spanish, class?
Piloto.
No. What is plot in Spanish, class? Parcela. Look here. Class, the rich landowners own land. They own land. But the poor workers have no plots. They have no land. Yes, land? No land. Yes and no. Now I have a question for you. How many? This is different. This is not a number. No, even is not 11. Even is not 11. It's different. Class. Oh. What is this? What did you say? What's most, class? Most is maximo. Maximo. Most. Now, class, I have a question. Most plot or most land? Most plot? Ah, the most land. Very good. Now, I have a question. What about the workers? If it is not have, how much? Does it have 0, 1, 2, 3? Let's think for this. What does no mean or not mean? No means no. How many? If there is no plot, how many plots? What number? What number? If it is no plot, no parcela, how much? 0? 1? 2? It's not in the text, but no or not equals 0. It is a 0 plot. So Martin says maybe that's an equality. Maybe. Exactly. So what Martin is saying, the people, maybe the workers, were protesting because they had 0 plot, 0 land. The rich landowners had most of the land. Class, make sure you have your arrows here, your flechas.